What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on BENE ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company and with the news that might affect the price of this ticker this week. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what you might expect from the price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have a very good spike to the upside, but then we had immediate fall to these levels, and we almost hit the same level that we were previously, and this surge was not so significant. It was about 87%, but we have other securities related to this company. It is warrants, and right here, as you can see, the surge was more than 770%, and we also fell down, and this movement to the downside was really huge of 72%. So let's continue with the fundamentals of this company, and let's start with the company itself. We are on their official website, and right here we can see that it was formed to effect a business combination with a technologically advanced entity in the medical, data science, industrial or financial fields. And we all know that SPAC company, it is a blank check company that formed for the purpose of effecting a merger with some kind of companies. The main goal of this merger is to bring other company to the public field and to make it publicly traded. That is why we have a lot of SPACs for now, and these SPACs might drastically increase its value in a matter of a very short period of time. So let me show you some interesting details. First of all, let me show you this article, and the main reason why we have this massive surge in price of BENE company is DWAC, Digital World Acquisition Corporation, and I did a video about this company just a couple of days ago. You can find the link on this video in the description below, but let me show you this. We have the same person who leads the DWAC company and BENE company, and let me show you these paragraphs. Meet Patrick Orlando, the CEO of Digital World Acquisition Company, as well as two other SPACs. According to filings searched using Sentio, an AI-enabled research platform, Mr. Orlando is the CEO of Benessere Capital Acquisition Corporation, ticker BENE, which is based in Miami, and as well as CEO of Benessere Capital LLC, an investment consulting and investment banking firm he founded in Miami in October 2012. Bloomberg recently reported Benessere is near a deal with the Florida-based hydrogen fuel firm eCombustible, but it hasn't been formally announced. Perhaps more interesting is Mr. Orlando's role as the CEO of Yuhon International, ticker ZGYH, another SPAC where he is a CEO. Yuhon International is located in an office building in Wuhan, China, according to SEC filings. That same address is shared by Yuhon Group, which sells an array of supplements such as natural brain booster capsule and bitter gourd peptides. Of course, it is common of SPAC specialists to oversee several vehicles at one time, though some argue it creates a conflict if they are hunting the same targets. But with Mr. Orlando's background in such an unusual local as Wuhan, it remains a mystery how he matched up with Mr. Trump. And this is the key sentence and key point of this entire article. We don't know how he matched up with Mr. Trump, and that is why there is zero guarantee that BENE company or any other companies that leads by Mr. Orlando might skyrocket from the fundamental standpoint because of Mr. Donald Trump. And that is why, in my opinion, this asset for now is a momentum stock, and you have to keep an eye only if you know that you can enter the position and leave your position immediately when you see some kind of bad news. So, and we are on stocktweets.com, and we are on trending section, and we have Benessere Capital Acquisition Corporation on the second place. and it has the score of 21.36. And right here we have it on 5th place, right after PHUN and DWAC with 5600 mentions. We are, by the way, on most active section. And on the watchers section we have Benessere Capital Acquisition Corporation on the 2nd place as well, with the number of mentions of about 4,000. And this, in my opinion, this information is the real catalyst for this recent price action of BENE ticker and for their other securities. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have several waves, and right here on their warrant ticker, we can see these waves more precise, and it might be like this. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth one. And for now we are in a retracement mode, and we have potentially, we might have the next possibility to go to the upside, but the downside potential for the BENEW ticker is really huge, because from the current level we might have about 76% to its baseline. And right here with the BENE ticker we also have the same pattern right here. We have, this is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth one. And from our current price to its base price we have not more than 20% of potential losses. And that is why, in my opinion, this ticker is much more safe for you if you compare it with the potential losses. But the upside potential for this ticker is quite suspicious, because think of it like this. Mr. Orlando leads 3 different SPAC companies, and one of these companies has a huge spike with the recent news of partnership with Mr. Donald Trump. And how high is the probability that any other of his 2 SPACs might have the same potential with its upcoming merger with some different companies, and how probable this event might be on this particular week, the last week of October? In my opinion, it is near to impossible. But still, we might have some news and some rumors that might drive the price of this ticker also higher. And that is why, if you are risky enough, you can have this certain setup. If you want to enter your long position, right here you can enter it. Your stop loss might be about 20% to this baseline of about $10. And your price target might be, the most aggressive price target might be right here at its all-time high. And even in this case, the risk to reward ratio is 2.68 to 1. This means it is not so significant, and it is very risky. But in my opinion, the real price target for the movement to the upside might be right here. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top to the very bottom, what do we have here? We have a more probable level of the bounce. First of all, at the range of about 2% of potential profits, with the risk to reward ratio 0.14 to 1, and it is not the case. And a little bit more aggressive target is about 11%, and it is still lower than 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This means, in my opinion, this asset is really risky, and I highly recommend you not to enter the position with this ticker. And yes, it is quite a better position than, for example, PHUN ticker, but it is much weaker position if we compare it with the DWAC ticker. And I will do an update on this ticker, I think, tomorrow, and we will see what was the price action of Monday's session. Then we will see what we should expect from these tickers in near future. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!